Yeah. Okay. Good morning. Today we will start new module in Oracle using cloud applications. That's Oracle use and cloud inventory management. So it's another new module, Oracle Fusion Cloud Inventory Management. So you know, right? What is the inventory? On-hand stock, maintaining physical stock in organization. Example is production plants. So in the plant, will produce the finished good, right? So then, to produce finished good, you will purchase raw material, spares, uh, some components, whatever required to produce plant. Few you may purchase from supplier, and few spares you may produce in your plant. But finally, so that stock will maintain in inventory. So that is the one entity where the stock located physically, that is called inventory. So in inventory management, we can perform different transactions, different activities, different operations. So what are those? So in Oracle, sorry, not only Oracle, in inventory organization, in inventory entity. So we can maintain material transactions, right? Uh, Material transactions. And next what? Inventory controls. Inventory controls. Next what? Next, after inventory controls, there is plannings, inventory plannings. Next, counting, inventory count. Right? Plannings, counting. Material transactions, inventory controls, plannings, counting. So mainly we'll focus, we'll discuss these four topics in inventory management. Okay. So before that, before start configuring, or sorry, before start performing all this transactions controls, first we need to configure, right? We need to set up application, Oracle Fusion Cloud Inventory Management. We need to set up. So what is the inventory structure? How will you maintain inventory structure? Can maintain like this item master organization or item organization, anything you can say. Item master, master organization. Then we can define inventory, inventory organization. So next one, sub inventory. So next, locator also. So this is the structure. So in a interview, when they ask you, tell me what is the inventory structure, so you can list it. So I'll maintain master organization, inventory organization, sub inventory, and locator. So we need to configure this setup in the system. But prior to this, prior to configure uh, inventory structure, so we need to understand what is the enterprise structure, right? So it's nothing but organization structure. What is the enterprise structure? So top level is enterprise. It's organization. Next what? The primary ledger. So next legal entity. Next one is business unit. Next business unit. So then after this three will define. So directly you cannot create inventory organization. First you need to complete all above four entities levels. Then only as inventory management consultant, you can create inventory organization, sub-inventory locator. So right, just for time being, what we can do, primary ledger and legal entity, we can utilize seeded already whatever available in application. So we can start defining business unit. Okay. So business unit, nothing but here will operate the operations. What operations like purchases, sales, payable invoice, uh, receivable invoices, some projects related activities. So we can maintain a business unit level. So this business unit will associate with legal entity and primary ledger. So legal entity, nothing but it's a company registered uh, to maintain business legally. So that is what legal entity. See, suppose if you want to do any business, so first your company has to register, right, in the firm registers. As per company law, first you have to register your company. Can be proprietorship company, private limited company, public limited company. So different types of partnership company, different types, categories are there. So based on your what nature of business, uh, So that capacity and so that decides what type of company that you will register. So then only after company registered legally, so we can maintain the tax structure, right? We need to calculate the taxes that will pay to the tax authorities, government authorities, right? So under that legal entity, again, based on sales purchases, uh, mainly sales purchases, right? Always maximum. I'll purchase, I will sell. This is what will maintain in organization, every organization. So those can be private companies, public companies, government companies, everywhere. They will purchase, they will sell. Sometimes maybe every purchase product you may not sell, right? We will utilize it. Say some services I will purchase, I will utilize it. It's like building maintenance, building cleaning, and also some services and some goods also I'll purchase, but I'll consume internally. See, like in offices, you will purchase some snacks, you will purchase, and stationery you will purchase, some cleaning liquids you will purchase, some perfumes you will purchase. All are what consumable products. Consumable products also you will purchase, and some fixed assets also, fixed asset items, products like tables, chairs, printers, laptops, desktops. So all you will purchase, but those you will not sell, right? That you will maintain to run your business. Okay. So to maintain, manage purchases, sales. So you must define the legal entity, and also you will prepare the tax structure in India, GST, right? Um, and against purchases, sales. So you will maintain the accounting entries. Accounting entries, against that, you will maintain the journals. Will maintain the journals. The journals information finally will maintain primary ledger. So it's a financial configuration setup in real time in implementation projects. Financial consultant will take care. So now what I'll do, this two, primary ledger and a legal entity, I will use seeded already in demo instance, practice instance. You will find the predefined setups that we can utilize. So then we can start our configuration from business unit. So you got it, right? What I'm going to do. Now, you can open here. So actually, this is the mega tool, online here, PRC, SCM, instance access. So you can find here this URL, can use it, and this is the username. Either you can utilize lee.averi or SCM underscore. This will be the password. This first time login. After defining your own user, you can utilize that. Maybe in the future, for quick testing, also you can utilize seeded users instead of new users. Okay. First, you log into application. PQJZ. So first I'll use SCM underscore IMPL. Then I will create my own user. Please don't change the password. You can apply same as it is, whatever password provided, but don't try to change that password. Yeah. So here, how to create new user? So create new user. So who is the user? Who will access application? Person will act as user. So what is the navigation? Go to home. And here, this is called Springboard. And Springboard, you can find different work areas. In those work area, you will find tools work area. Here you can find security console. So this is the tool. This is the app I will use to define new user. Create a new user. Then actually, when I click on this, system will connect security console, but it is not connecting. Okay, here you can utilize also this is the place navigator. Um, from here also you can find either you can follow that navigation or this navigation. Yes. And this security console. Again, is redirecting to same place. Let me try with lead out availability. Um, Password change for lead out availability. I'll try with Casibro. So all are seeded users. This is the practice instance, right? So already some data is available for quick practice test. So here also you can go to tools, security console. See like this, you will find SCM IMPL. I don't know why which was not connected. But here, Cassie Brown user, it is working fine. And also, I was tried to log in with lead.averi user, but which was not allowed. Let me reset same password. So it is locked status. So that is the reason it was failed to log in. This reset password. Please don't change the password for seeded users, existing users. Now, I'll create a new user. How will you create new user? Just now I told you, right? Go to home, on Springboard you will find tools. Click on this security console. Click on users. Add user account. Here you can enter details, your user details. Here I am selecting first name. So suppose we are implementing this Fusion Cloud application for what some L&T. There are many line of businesses out there. Right? I'll just take first name as L&T. So last name, I'll take this as Ravi. Okay. Now automatically system will suggest username as lt.ravi. And this email address, any email address you can select, no problem. Any private Outlook. So anything you can enter here, no problem. But it's not mandated. You provided your mail address details, email details. System will start sending notifications. Any password changes, any update. So it will keep on send the details to your mailbox. Okay. So you can set the password here, your own password. So before that, here you can assign some roles for application access. Here I am assigning mainly two roles. I am going to assign security manager, IT security manager. So why I'm assigned this IT security manager in future, if anything required creating new users or updating existed users, assigning roles, removing roles, customizing job roles. So this IT security manager role, it will allow you to connect security console. Also, I'm assigning another role is uh, application implementation consultant. So this one, application implementation consultant. So now I have assigned two job roles. One IT security manager and application implementation consultant. That means this user can access two tools. One is security console and another one is what application setup and maintenance, FSM. Okay, so because of this role, this user can access functional setup manager. Because of this rule, security console it can access. So that means basically this application will work based on job roles. So if you want to give access, you will assign new roles. If you want to restrict or remove access, just you will delete it. Okay. So then set the password. Save and close. So now new user created. So you can utilize that user. You can start using that user. Okay. So then I will sign out from this seeded user. You can go to user actions. We can say So this is the place. When you click on this, you will find user settings and accents. You can just select sign out, right? I created my user and I will log in with my own user. So after entering URL, you can enter your username, lt.ravi, password, what you set it, same you can enter and click on sign in. And also on one more thing here, see, you can sign in different languages, say Arabic, Danish, German, Greek, English. So different options are there. So user can log in their own language. So then select button, sign in. You know, I just will find here your name. So this based on this time, it will change actually. And here you can go to tools. Under this, you will find security console. So why this is appearing here? I was assigned IT security manager job role. So from here, if you want to update anything in your user, go to users and find your username, lt.ravi, and click on search. And here you can edit any rules. Additionally, you want to add it, you can add it. Also, if you want, you can delete it also. Any reset password. If you forgot your password or for any other user or new users you want to update, you can. And also, we go to user actions. Here you will find setup and maintenance. When I click on this setup, and it will redirect to functional setup manager. See, this is the place we can say FSM, functional setup manager. In this functional setup manager, here you will find list of the offerings. Here you will find list of offerings. Here in this, you will find some inventory related what some offerings. So like product management and manufacturing and supply chain metal management, and also other applications, supply chain management applications, order management, procurement, and also you will find financials. So here till now, how many um, applications offerings are actually developed, you will find. Maybe sometimes you may not find this much big list based on license subscription. You will find list of the offerings. Suppose in real time you join in one project, only appearing financials, manufacturing and supply chain material management, order management, procurement, product. Only this 4, 5 available in the list. Reason is so that organization in that implementation only subscription license taken for these 4, 5 offerings. But it is the practice instance, demo instance. So this is the cause. Here, almost all offerings are enabled. Okay. How this offerings enabled, you know, right? Go to actions, go to offerings. This is the place. See here you will find based on your license subscription, you will select one by one like this. Okay, here opt-in features. So here you can enable like this. So then only it will appear in functional setup manager. for everything, for every application, you have to do like that. Now then it will appear in this list. Okay, now user is created. Then I wanted to start defining business unit. So in every business organization, one business unit is mandatory. So suppose now we are implementing for India business. So you will maintain one primary ledger for India. You will register company in India. In India business unit, you will start operating business operations. So to define hmm, yeah, some connectivity issue. Okay. Um, yeah. So first, let's start defining business unit. It is I'm defining for India business unit. It is located uh, somewhere in India. From that place, we can operate business operations. Okay. So business unit in India located in Hyderabad. From Hyderabad, entire India business operations transactions I will operate. First, you define location where your business unit located. Then you define business unit. So now I'm going to create location for business unit. You know, right? What is the location? Where your organization located? Where your office located? Right? It contains maintain address details, flat number, door number, street, area, landmarks, nearby, pin code, city. So those details, those combination, I'll maintain in address. So that is nothing but location. So what is the navigation? What is the path to define location? So here you can choose. Now anyway, we are talking about inventory management. Okay. So I'll use this product management offering. In this product management navigation, you go to enterprise profile. Here you will find manage locations. Click on this location. And here you can create, select create. Yeah. So here, from which date you want to utilize, you can select this. Anyway, here it is selected 1st January 51. Okay, effect start date, anything you can select here, 1951. You can, yeah, this I want to use it in maybe from 21st or 22nd. You can change it to this. Okay, like this you can update it. It's okay, let it be, no problem. And location set, time being, you can continue with common set. I don't change anything now. You can continue with common set. And other fields, you can fill it, but all not mandatory. But here I'm selecting name, LNT underscore Hyderabad. Okay, I'll take this. Mm, mm, mm. So I'm at page uh, Hyderabad. My my business unit located in Amirpet, Hyderabad. Like this, we can define. And the next, come here and the main address. You can choose your country from here. Generally, you can find here top 10, top 5 list. If anything you want to find, you have to search. You can enter India and search. Okay, like this. So based on selection, country selection, this fields will change. Combination will change. Address line one in Amirpet. So it is located in house number. It's a dummy. I'm just selecting like this address to near Uda complex. Uh, Address 3 Amirpet city, Hyderabad. Pin code 5 lakh 18. So state Telangana. Okay. So time zone you can select optionally, but here in India, time zone you will find Calcutta. Okay. Only one time zone, right? Nowadays in India. And other details here, shipping details, ship to site and bill to site, receiving site. So what you will receive to this address? Yes, as we discussed, I may receive some expense items. It's internally consumable products, fixed asset items, service. So I will receive in this location. So that is the reason by default receiving site anywhere. Okay. And ship to site means I will ship stock to customer or other inventory organization. So same location, if you are using, you can use it. Maybe sometimes uh, business unit location is different, inventory location will be different. Where stock maintained, from there only will pick and ship to customer location or in other inventory locations, right? In that case, same as it is the, you will define like this. And you will select no. Here, you will select name of the simple location. Okay, just for time being, I'll select yes for Sigdo also. And bill to site, nothing but preparation, preparing invoice documents, bills. So our same location level, let it continue. Yes, office side, it is no. Like this, you can enable optionally other details also. Then after entering, filling all these details, you can first save it. Okay, you have changed. Then optionally you can review how details are you selected. If you are okay, confident with selected details, so directly click on submit. Okay, this request will be submitted. Do you want to continue? Say yes. Okay. So now location is created. So then I'll define business unit. So navigation, product management. Here you go to inventory organizations and here man is business unit. Okay, click on manage business unit. You can create your own business unit. Enter name of the business unit, LT underscore. Uh, we can use any short name or some, we can elaborate also, no problem. Here I just selected INDBU, LT underscore INDBU. Here location, where this business unit located, India BU, you can search. Name, every setup I am starting with LNT just to identify quickly, search, I am using that. And this is reference set. You can utilize for time being common reference set. Then later we can, um, based on business requirement. Okay, save. So default reference set given as com. Save and close. Now we go to, yeah, this one, see, man is business unit set assignments. Just you verify, go to select and add, apply and go to task. Find your business unit, LT, search. Here you will find the search button. Uh, Select, save and close. Now see what will happen. For every data, selected common only. Why? Because I was assigned default reference set as common. So in future, based on business requirement, you may create your own reference sets. Then you will come to this place, you will update with the new reference set. But time being, I'll continue with the seeded common reference set. So next what, man is assigned business unit business functions. Click on this, assign business unit business functions. Why this setup is, yeah, so your business unit, see here, appearing, this is your business unit. So this business unit, actually this application, it's not looks like actually. Maybe this is the practice instance, right? You may face the challenges, but also you need to complete your practice. business unit, business functions. See, yeah, it's like this. Okay. Now assign your primary ledger. So as we discussed already, I will use seeded primary ledger and legal entity. India primary ledger. India legal entity. So now this side will find different business functions, but to perform material transactions, inventory activities, or when system allow you defining inventory structure under this business unit, you must enable this material management checkbox. Then only system it will allow you creating inventory structure under this business unit. See, many other different checkboxes are there, functions are there. Based on organization scope, what type of transactions they will perform, you can enable all this checkboxes. Okay. So now time being, this is the only one enough for me. And I will select save, save and close. Now completed business unit I created and business unit business functions completed, and I just verified business unit set assignment. Now you start creating uh, other inventory structure. So first I will define master organization, item master organization. So why this master organization required, or what is the difference between master organization and inventory organization? So inventory organization, nothing but your stock, available stock. Physically will maintain the stock in your inventory, in your plant, in your godown, in your warehouse. So that is what inventory, stock. There will maintain the different products, right? Suppose if you take known example as supermarket or general stores or medical shops. Any example you take and try to understand what is the inventory organization, how they will manage the inventory activities. So nearby medical shop. So there you will find stock availability, right? Many different company brands, how they will manage. Um, they will maintain some rows in the rack. In the row, will maintain rack. In the rack, they will maintain levels. In the level, they will maintain stock. Sometimes they will maintain bin also, right? In that bin, they will maintain product. Why? Because tablets and all very small items, no? Directly, they cannot put it on the level. So in level, they will maintain bin or tub, anything. So in that they will maintain. But if you observe in supermarket, they will not maintain any bins. In the row rack, they will maintain level, and level direct they will maintain. So example soaps. Many different types of soap company, right? But in the same place, you will find many different types of soaps, same detergents, and some cooking oils, um, anything, right? So that is nothing but stock. So likewise, I can maintain many locations, right? Not only in one location. If you take the example in Hyderabad, any Vijeta supermarket, D-Mart. Mm. So there they will maintain different locations. But first, they should define what are the different items, products maintaining in that location or in that entity, in that organization. Okay. Um, Defining that item, each and every location, each and every entity, each and every inventory, maybe may not be possible. Why? Because same item repeatedly you should define. So just to avoid that, defining item, same item again and again, in application, we can maintain master organization concept. So always every item I'll define here only. From here, I'll assign item to other inventory organizations. See, suppose um, Hyderabad inventory, Bangalore inventory, uh, Chennai inventory, Bombay inventory, Pune inventory. Like this, I have inventory stock maintained in different cities. I'll maintain like this. So suppose if I want to maintain one product, um, that the product I'll maintain stock in all inventory organizations. This 5 inventory organizations. So that product I should define first in Hyderabad, then same I have to repeat in Bangalore, repeat in Chennai, like this. So one product, how many times you should define? 5 times you have to define. Just to avoid that, quickly defining item, maintaining item in application. So I will what? I will define master organization, MST, or item master, IMO, anything you can say. So those items directly I'll define here. This is suppose product one example. Already I defined under here. So then this item I'll copy to wherever it is required. Then product two. Then again this item I will assign. So and one more thing here, I may maintain like this many hundreds of products, thousands of products like this. You no need to assign all products to all inventory organizers. See, suppose product 5, this will have a demand only in Hyderabad. It will not have demand in other inventory organizations. So defining item in a master organization only, but I will only assign to Hyderabad. So product 7 will have a demand in all. So I will define product 7 in master organization. This will assign to all other inventory organizations. So now this is the master organization. This is the inventory organizations list. Now what we will answer, how will you differentiate? What is the difference between master organization and inventory organization? Master organization is a item defining organization. He will not, he never create any material transactions and stock in this organization. But inventory organization, whatever items defined in master organization, those will be assigned to inventory organization. There I will create material transactions, also I will maintain physical stock. So that is what inventory organization. Now let me quickly define master organization. So what is the navigation? Product management, item organization, and manage item organizations. Create. Here name of the LNT underscore MST. Organization code LTMST, and usage item management. So when it is usage item management, ERC, you no need to assign your business unit, primary ledger, legal entity, and location and all. Why? Because this is not a physical entity. Here I'll never maintain any stock. So it's not mandatory to assign your business unit and primary ledger and legal entity. I'll just select next. And here, master organization is mine. This I declared this is the master organization. And then select save and close. See, master organization created now. So next what this setup also completed now. Um, Next what we need to start defining inventory organization. But there is one more prerequisite required. What is that prerequisite? It is a calendar. So every transaction, right? You must maintain the date, calendar date. Correct, right? Say if you buy any product, any shop, anywhere, you will get a bill. So in that bill, you will find you will maintain date and time stamp also sometimes. Not only always date. Some shops, some organization, they will maintain time stamp also. So this is the date, so and so 8:30 time. So how this why this calendar is required? So I need to track, right? History. So when was this transaction created? Um, so that is the reason you will maintain calendar. So here calendar, how you will maintain, um, see how many days this organization, this firm, this shop will work in a week. In which shift it will work. What is the start time? What is the end time? And any weekly ops. Uh, so some organizations will maintain only 5 days. Saturday, Sunday, weekly off. Some organization will work 6 days. Weekly off only Sunday. Maybe sometimes some organizations, some production companies, production organization, they will work all 7 days. But depends on the team. They will work. They will take one day leave in a week. That can be Monday or that can be Tuesday. That can be when any. So based on that, how they are managing their work schedule, um, work process. First, you will understand. Then you will configure this calendar. Right. So what are the setups required to define, to maintain this work structure or work process? So you go to navigation here, click on again inventory organizations. So here you will find facility safety, facility workday pattern, facility schedule exceptions. Exceptions nothing but list of the holidays. So that will maintain local holidays list, right? In Hyderabad. So what are the different holidays will follow? And this is the schedule. So those four setups you need to define. So one by one, we can start defining, understanding this. So here again, shifts you can create with time, duration, and elapsed shift. So different options are there. So one by one, you can create it. So first you start. So maybe you may not define all types at a time in your one implementation. That based on business requirement only, you have to choose this. So here create time shift. Here we will enter what is the start time. In the morning, it will start 10 o'clock. How many hours this shift? 8 hours. Here you will find duration, right? And also here you can find flexible, none, punch. So what is the difference between flexible and punch? You should work 8 hours in a day, but when you will start work, yes, that is depends. I will start my work in morning 9 o'clock. 8 hours I should work. So I'll log out for 5 o'clock. So next day, I will log in 10 o'clock. I will log out 6 o'clock. Sometimes I'll log in 11 o'clock. Then I will log out 7 o'clock. See, I'm working 8 hours, but I will have some flexibility. It's not mandatory or not required signing or logging exact time. So that is what flexible. Punch means what? That employee has to log in on time. Say IT people, they will work in laptop from anywhere. But production plant or who works in shops, organizations, so they must attend, log in on time only, right? So shift time is in production plant, shift time is in the morning 9:30. Means so in the production plant who are working, they must be available by 9:30 only. Maybe some grace time, 5 minutes, time, 10 minutes. That's it. But that too, it's not regular, right? Sometimes in a week or month, 1 or 2 times, it's okay. That to 10 minutes. 9:30 means you must be available by 9:30 only. Why? Because it's a production machineries that will work 24 hours. So you have to relieve or who work in prior shift, that person must be sign out or log out from the organ. So when you can able to on time log out, when login person come on time. So that is what punch. On punch, you must be there at work. So that is the difference between flexible and punch. So maximum flexible will have for IT people. For other organizations, they who work, so they will be available punch only. So the see here you can manage start hours. So then if you open duration shift, see here time not given. What is the start time not available? Only how many hours you should work available. Your start time not required. Directly will provide only 8 hours. Here also you will find work period, off period, work from home, work from office. So work from home, work from office generally we use for IT. And next, so here also only duration. There is no here. One option was there, right? The duration, period type, off period, work period. It is not available. Only category. Work from home, work from office, 8 hours. That's it. So this is what difference between uh, time shift, duration shift, and elapsed shift. Based on business requirement, you may choose which one is suitable. Sometimes you may define different types of shifts also. Different types means it's not general shift, first shift, second shift like this. So we may maintain time shift, duration shift at a time. uh, in the same means not in the same inventory, different inventories, different plans, different offices like this. Okay. Now here I'll create times LT underscore 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. shift. So like this, you can enter some code if you want, you can maintain, otherwise it's okay. Here I can enter like this 10 a.m. 8 hours. This shift will work 8 hours. So category I will not select. Either you can select flexible punch. I'll select none. Save and close. Now shift I defined. Same way, you can create workday pattern. Here also you will find the three like time, workday pattern, duration, same way. But here workday pattern nothing but LT underscore 7 days workday pattern. 7 days workday pattern. Here I'll length in 7 days. Here add start 1 and 6. Shift is what? LT 10 a.m. shift, right? So here 1 to 6 means total out of 7 days, 6 days will work. 1 to 6. Then what is the starting working day in a week? I'm not mentioning anywhere here, right? First means Monday, where I'm specified, not specified anywhere. Here I selected 1 to 6 means 6 days will work out of 7 days. But which is the starting working day? What is the weekly of? I am not mentioning here. I will mention in the next setup. Okay. Fine, right? Here, see, automatically system will calculate end time, 8 hours. Save and close. Next here, schedule, facility schedule exceptions. Nothing but here it will list the what? What holidays list. See here, Labor Day, 1st May. 1st May, Labor Day. Likewise, any festivals, all you can define by your own, you can enter. So what is the date? So you can enter here. Say suppose some 23rd organization anniversary. So it is off period. I can select holiday like this. You can define. So after defining holidays list, then you go to facility schedule, manage facility schedule. Here it go to create time schedule. LT underscore. Hyderabad work schedule or time schedule or work time schedule, anything. Work time schedule. Like this you can. So from which date you want to use it? I want to use this. What is the end date? I'm giving 2030. So here I'll specify what is the start date. Sorry, start day. Monday is the start day. Out of 6 days, Monday to Saturday will work. Sunday will be weekly hour. So that where you specified sequence 1, LP pattern. I was defined say this one, 7 days. Now you understand, right? 7 days. Out of 7 days, I was mentioned 1 to 6. First day in a week, Monday. So automatically system will understand Sunday will be weekly hour. Save and close. Say yes. Yeah. Now I define like this. So calendar also created now. So another work schedule. Work schedule also completed now. So next what we can start defining inventory organization. So that will continue in tomorrow's session. So today session, who are all joined newly, you please ping here your mail ID in the Zoom chat. So I'll send you video today video and practice link. You can start your practice. Please ping quickly in here. I'll just say hi. Uh, or please ping your mail ID. Okay. So you may get uh, ping. There only you can reply. So I will send you today's video and practice. You please do quickly. I will also stop